Did you know yawning is contagious for a strange reason? When someone yawns, it can trigger others around them to yawn too. This isn't just a coincidence. Studies show that yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brains mirror that behavior. This helps strengthen connections with others. Interestingly, not everyone is equally susceptible. People with strong emotional bonds are more likely to catch a yawn. So if you yawn in a group, don't be surprised if others follow suit. It's nature's way of keeping us connected. Yawning may seem simple, but it reveals a lot about our social nature and emotional ties. You'll never see a yawn the same again. Follow for mind twists.